Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at a 3-hole Chinese wok. It's going to be a 3-hole Chinese wok, ring size 13-inch, middle ring size is 16. Okay, so we got two 13s and one 16-inch. Okay, it's all stainless steel unit, very well built unit. Brand on this Chinese wok is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Okay, also you can locate your certification. This unit is certified by the health department, so you can locate that information on this plate on the left hand side of the unit. Also, we have our knee operated fire levers here. Okay, you have 3 for each ring or Chinese wok. We also have waste trays on this unit. Okay, so you have a waste tray, and also on the very bottom you have one as well. You also have a drain, so there will be a drain on the very bottom of this Chinese wok. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and measure the rings for each hole. Okay, so you got 13-inch by 16-inch by 13. Okay, also you have an automatic faucet system. Okay, you have 2 faucets. You also have the waterfall system for this Chinese wok. So if you go ahead and open up the lid on the top, there will be a waterfall system for this. If you follow me over to the back, you can locate connector for the water, also connector for the gas. Okay, the unit runs on natural gas, and both connectors are on the back. Okay, so this is a very nice looking Chinese wok, all stainless steel unit, our brand Cooler Depot. If you're interested, also before we go, there is going to be double layer on each hole for this unit. Okay, so it does have insulation. Let's say this gets too hot, that's where the double layer comes into play. Okay, so we do have double layer on each hole. 3-hole Chinese wok. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information, including the price for this exact Chinese wok. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.